Hi everyone! Thank you so much for clicking on that video. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! So excited! So today is the day that all EXO has been waiting for so long, and today is EXO's comeback! Yay! It's 2 a.m. so I'm speaking kind of low because my family's sleeping. If you guys watch my other reaction videos, you will know that this will be my very first comeback for EXO. I have just become a fan of them very recently, and actually I've never stan any group, any K-pop group at all, so this is my very first K-pop comeback and I am so excited. First of all, oh my god, I'm so excited. First of all, congratulations EXO for hitting that 800,000 plus pre-orders of the album, and I think that number is only going to climb. So I'm so excited for this comeback, so excited for the music video. I don't know why I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous now. I'm like shaking, I can hardly even talk. I didn't even run out of breath before I even started this music video. Okay, I'm ready. I am so ready. It's 2 a.m. I just have a full face of makeup on. Ooh, EXO candy. I want to eat the one that is in Kai's mouth. Is that too much to ask?
Shimmie, Ko Ko Bop. I think I like it.
Baekhyun. What does that mean? Did you see the smile on my face? Yeah, Chan, those are vocals. John Day. Rest in peace, Shimmie fans. Oh my god, he just looks amazing with that black hair. Sehun and Shimmie having a little romance. This song is totally reggae. Love it. I love the blue and the white theme they have going with their clothes. Did you guys see John Day in the back where his hand was? Learning dance moves now. I've learned 2 dance moves so far. That was so good. So EXO definitely delivered as they promised. This song is amazing. Sounds like nothing they've ever done before. I can't even wait for the rest of the album. It's worth me staying up all night to do this reaction video, worth every second of it. This was my first comeback. I'm pretty speechless right now. My brain's not really working. I'm lost for words. I don't think I could really finish this video with any more comments or reaction. Thank you so much. Watch our other reaction videos. We have 2 other EXO related videos on our channels. I hope you guys enjoy them, and make sure to leave the comments, give us a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button. Bye, thank you. Mwah.